Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Torrence and today we are doing a tutorial. This is going to be a halo eye look using the colored Raine and Power palette. This palette is a very purple based palette, and although I am not the biggest fan of purples, purples are a huge fan of me. This look came out very smoky, very pretty. It's a very dark look, but for me, I don't mind it because it usually means you don't have to add liner or lashes because this look is bold enough. See, I got the glowy skin going as always. Unless it's summertime, I am not trying to go matte, or unless I have to be out all day. Was feeling lazy, so I didn't add a liner today, so oh well. But if you want to know how I got this look, please stay tuned. I'm going to still be doing the Get Ready With Me with the full face tutorial coming soon. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to the channel, and if nothing else, we'll just go ahead and get started. As you can see, I have done foundation and set everything. For the first color, we're taking the shade Snitch and blending that across our entire crease with the Sonia G Blender Pro. This shade is deep and pigmented, so take your time layering and blending. Now that I'm satisfied with the blend that we have, we're going to move on to the next shade. The next color we're taking is called Deception. And we're going to use that shade to blend out the edges of Snitch using the MAC 217 Natural Hair Brush. I'm taking this shade Deception and pressing it along the edges of Snitch, then blending it out using windshield wiper motions. Before moving forward, I want to run the shade Snitch throughout my crease once more. This ensures me that the lowest part of my crease is the darkest. This step is completely optional, but I'm used to doing it out of habit, so I'll continue to do it today. Now we are going to take the NYX glitter adhesive on the Morphe M421 brush and coat our entire lid, bringing it up to the highest point of your crease. The next color is called Respect, and we're taking that shade on the Sephora Collection number 60 Must Have Powder Shadow Brush. You want to cover most of your lid, leaving the inner and outer corners bare. I'm going to try to cover about 70%. To ensure the next color sticks, I'm adding a bit more glitter adhesive to the inner and outer corners. Then adding the shade Testify right over that glitter adhesive using the Sonia G Blender Pro. To blend the inner and outer corners together, I'm taking the same shade Testify throughout the lowest part of my crease using the MAC 221 Natural Hair Brush. I'm only placing product on the tip of the brush. To make our halo eyes stand out more, I'm adding the last bit of glitter adhesive to the very center of the lid. Then we're taking the color Legacy and placing that over the glitter adhesive. I'm using the thinnest side of my Sephora Collection number 60 brush to get an exact placement. Then using the widest side of the brush to blend out the edges. I've cleaned up the first eye and going to show you how on the second. I'm taking my Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder in the shade 3 on my Sigma E50 Large Fluff Brush. I'm packing my brush and stamping the product in place along the sides of my nose and under my eye. On the sides of my eye, I can use this powder to sharpen the edges of the shadow. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Brow Wand and brushing my hairs up. To define and fill in my brows, we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Chocolate. My main concern is filling in the tail. Now I'm going to spoolie them out to soften up the edges. Hair brow gel and a disposable wand. Before adding mascara, I'm taking the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash Brow Wand and brushing through my lashes to remove any product that can potentially cause clumping with my mascara. Now we're going to coat the top and bottom lashes with the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara in the shade 01. Using a Q-tip can help remove mascara that you may have smeared during application. Please wait until it has dried to attempt this trick. For highlighter, I'm using the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Oh Darling by MAC Cosmetics. Applying that color first at the arch of the brow and blending out from there. I want the strongest point of highlighter to be at the arch and everything else to be softened out. Using that same brush and shade to highlight our inner eye corner. Taking the shade Testify one last time on a Wayne Gossett 08 eyeliner brush and lining the bottom lash line. Now to set everything, I'm using the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay, and you have to feel lavish with the breeze from a dollar store fan. Alright, and this is the final look. I wanted to go ahead and just show you all from a regular viewpoint how everything looks. My normal blush, highlighter, lip gloss combo going on. But today I was not planning on actually even planning on makeup. We had a ton of snow today here in Michigan and I was not feeling it. I made sure I got out, shoveled, put the salt down, but I was gonna actually chill in the house, enjoy the day. Saw my cousin Nicole post a beautiful purple makeup look. As you can see, the eye look is beautiful. The palette we used today was the colouredraine and Power palette. It is limited edition, but it is still available on the colouredraine website. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Your opinion matters. I want to hear it, so make sure you leave it. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. It really helps the channel. Please subscribe, share this video, and pretty soon I will be doing the recording for the whole get ready with me, showing you my full face tutorial. But until next time, have a blessed day and bye YouTube.